I wanted to give you a warm welcome, but the welcome that nature provided here was quite amazing. This is not something that has happened just today or yesterday. This is a work of almost 9 years when we started Health Writers Association called Heath, where we brought all journalists covering health together on a platform to share their problems and to share their ideas and to share how the future road is all about.
About diabetes, please don't write diabetics. Okay? Today we see type 2 diabetes in 12 and 15-year-old children. That's the problem.
ये डायबिटीज को पहले से जज नहीं किया सकता, प्री डायबिटिक सिंड्रोम जो है.
How is it possible to get the message across to people? Now, no matter how much how many lectures can you give, how many places can you visit, here you have a message which is properly given, can be spread to people in a way that they understand, and therefore I think it is an absolute essential thing, because the main thing is how do you empower people. Now, by empowering people, I don't mean give them money to buy medicines. Empowering people is to give them knowledge so that they take the right decisions as to what to do and what not to do.
I don't want to talk about your responsibilities. I think you have tremendous responsibilities and tremendous challenges. And I think everybody right from the start has been expressing your responsibilities and your challenges.
I think this is a tremendous conference. This is health journalism is true empowerment of people, and I'm very passionate about health journalism because these are the journalists who make the public keep their health up.
Health is not everything, but without health, everything becomes nothing. Heath Foundation, I think, has done a wonderful job in bringing the health writers together for this convention, and to bring in awareness on, about writing on health and about health, various aspects of health. And my take-home message for the health writers would be that not only do they need to create awareness amongst the readers about good health and good nutrition, I think they also need to take care of their health and their nutrition, because that would go a long way in their professional growth as well.
So what I'm going to do is talk you guys through, the first question you must be having is what's Unilever doing here? Because Unilever for the longest time has been known as Hindustan Lever in India.
The Health Writers Convention is a very good idea, because you can see that in the media, consumers are really interested in knowing a lot more about health and nutrition, and I think it is the health writers who can make that difference.
So right now, whatever frying you will have from me, you will ultimately have Ufa fried food immediately after my talk.
So my message to everybody is that that's a common theme which I have always is eat less, eat on time, eat right, walk more, sleep well and smile. That's my theme. And obviously you must be conscious about oxidative stress in our environment, in our food, and when we fry our food. And if you fry our food, then we need to ensure that we add an antioxidant to it so that our oil and fried food becomes more healthy. Though we should not recommend fried foods.
I'm Amajit Kaur.
and I handle the public relations of CIPLA, the therapy PR for the respiratory section. So talking about this convention, I will say yes, it was very interesting, very influential for my things, and plus for me it was very necessary because on one roof I came to know about all the journals.
There's a very core level of awareness amongst key opinion leaders, journalists, doctors, the medical fraternity, the health community as well. And it is really up to the industry as well as the health professionals to make sure that the lay consumer is educated.
But for me it's mainly interesting to see the kind of knowledge health writers have. Based on the presentations giving, they have some basic questions about health, about nutrition. So for us it's a kind of eye-opener to see certain lack of knowledge people have, and there's clearly a need for giving more information to them and how we can help with it.
This convention has been actually quite an eye-opener because one, it has covered many topics. So it's broadened the horizon, and when you work in a particular field for a very long time, you need to keep refreshing yourself as well, which I think this convention has done extremely well.